Dear students, good morning, namaste. This is online classes. We are in the chapter sequences and exercise is 9.4. In that, four problems solved in the previous video. Now we will finish this remaining problems up to 10. Okay, now the fifth problem 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus dash and dash plus 20 square. We have to find the sum. Not expanding. 5 square means 25 plus 6 square means 36 plus 49 like that. Not that way. We have to use the concept. Okay, na? Sum to n terms we have to find. You see here, the given series is 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square up to 20 square. Let it be Sn. I am adding a 1 square, 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square to the given series. We are adding and we are subtracting here. Same thing. So this can be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash dash plus up to 20 square is minus of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. A formula is there. What is the formula? Sigma n square. What is sigma n square? Means 1 square plus 2 square up to n square is equal to n of n plus 1 of 2n plus 1 by 6. That is the formula. That implies here it is a continued 20 natural numbers. Squares of sum of 20 natural numbers, first 20 natural numbers. So it is 20 of using that formula. 20 of 20 plus 1 of 2 into 20 plus 1 by 6. Okay, na? N of n plus 1. Here n is 20. Minus, here also it is n means 4. 4 terms are there. 4 plus 1 of 2 into 4 plus 1 by 6. Okay, na? That is equal to 1 by 6 is common in both the terms denominator. It is 20 into 21 into 22 is 40, 41 minus 4 into 5 into 8, 4 2s, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, na? It is 1 by 6. I can take as 6 has come into both the terms. Here 6 is there. 7 3s, 2 10s. So there remained 10 here, here 7 and 41. Look at it. 7 3s, 10 2s, 10 7 remain there. 2 into 3, 6 will come out. Here also it is 2 into 5 into 1 more 2, 1 more 3 is there. 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4. 3 2 6 comes out. 2 5 1 more 3 is there. 6 6 cancels. This is 7 28. 7 1 is 7. 7 4 is 28 into 10 means 0. Minus it is 15 to 30. So 2 8 40 is the answer. Not by direct method. 25 plus 36 plus 49 dash dash up to 20 square 400. It is a long method. Like this we have to prove. Okay, that is the method. Next, we'll go to the next problem. Sixth one. The solution of the sixth problem. Given series given series is Sn is equal to 3 into 8, 6 into 11, 9 into 14, 9 into 14, and it's going on up to last. Okay, now here you see then first terms series, that is 3 comma, okay na, it is, you see like it is 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma dash 3 6 9 dash dash. Here Tn, in this series Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d, because 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, it is going like that. 3 plus it is n minus 1 into, what is the common difference? It is LP, it is LP is 3 volt. So 3 plus 3n minus 3, so it is a 3n. So here it is a 3n, that term. And second term's series is 8 comma 11 comma 14 and going on. Here also Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 8 plus n minus 1 into d means 11 minus 8 3. Here also 11 plus 3 14, 8 plus 3 11, like that. So here also 8 plus 3n minus 3, 3n plus 5. Okay na? So it is one thing, it is one thing. Okay na? Now the series is Patka, the series is, I will write here. Sn is 3 into 8, 6 into 11, 9 into 14, plus dash dash, 3n of 3n plus 5. Okay now? This is the given series. So nth term is Sn is equal to sigma Tn, that is equal to sigma Tn is 3n of 3n plus 5, that is equal to sigma 9n square plus 15n. 3n into 3n, 3n square, 9n square, 3n into 5, 15n. 9 sigma n square, 9 sigma n square, 15 sigma n. Okay na? I will write on the board. Now you see that Sn is equal to, that step is there, 9 into sigma n square, n of n plus 1 of 2n plus 1 by 6, plus 15 sigma n is n of n plus 1 by 2. Okay na? This is 3 2s, 3 3s. So 3n of n plus 1 is there. 3n of n plus 1 by 2 also LCM is common. 3n of n plus 1. Here 5 into 3n of n plus 1 is there. So there remained 2n plus 1. There here remained 5. So it is 3n of n plus 1. It is 2n plus 6 by 2. 3n of n plus 1. 2 into n plus 3 is there. Again 2 is common. By 2. 2 cancels. So there remained only the sum is 3n of n plus 1 of n plus 3. Okay na? That is remained there. Now one more problem. That is the seventh problem. the observation. Seventh problem is, what is seventh problem? Sn is equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and going on up to nth term. So what is the nth term? Second term is 1 square plus 2 square. Third term is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay then? First term is only 1 square. Second term is, a bracket is there. 1 square plus 2 square itself is second term. Third term is again 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Fourth term is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Like that is going on. So nth term is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash 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 plus n square. That is nth term. So that is 1 square plus 1 square 2 square plus 1 square 2 square plus 3 square plus dash 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 plus n of n plus 1 of 2n plus 1 by 6. Here we have to understand. This is sum to squares of first and natural numbers. The formula is there. Okay, na? Here, that formula is there. Okay, na? So that is Tn. Now, Sn is equal to, as usual, what is Sn? It is a sigma Tn. Hence, Sn is equal to sigma Tn. Sigma, what is Tn? N of n plus 1 of 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, na? It is 1 by 6 is a constant, coefficient, it comes out. It is sigma n into n square plus n into 1 n of 2n plus 1. Again 1 by 6 sigma n square into 2n, 2n cube, n square into 1 is n square, n into 2n is 2n square plus n. Okay, na? So 1 by 6 sigma, it is 2n cube plus 3n square plus n. n square plus 2n square, 3n square. This is 2 sigma n cube, 3 sigma n square, sigma n. Be careful. Here is the thing. Sigma can be applied for each and every term. If it is a summation, if it is a product, it will not be expanded. Be careful. And coefficients will come out. Only variable. N is a variable. So 1 by 6 into 2. What is sigma n cube? N square of n plus 1 whole square by 4. Already we discussed. It is a 4. And it is 3 sigma n square already is there. So it is n of n plus 1 of 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma n is n of n plus 1 by 2. Okay, okay, this is the step. Now, just here also. It is 2 2s, 2 2s. Here also 3 2 6. So 2 is LCM. 2 is LCM. 2 comes out. 1 by 6 into 2 is equal to 1 by 12. 6 into LCM is total by 2. 2 into 6 is 12. Here n of n plus 1. Here n of n plus 1. There n of n plus 1 is common. N of n plus 1 again taken as common. But here one more n plus 1 is there. Okay, no? Here 2n plus 1 is there. there only 1 is there, because n of n plus 1 comes out means not 0, 1 is there. So totally it is n of n plus 1 by 12. This flower bracket is there. It is n square plus n plus 2n plus 2 is there. N square, n into n, this 2n, 1 plus 1, 2. Again n of n plus 1 by 12. It is n square plus 3n plus 2. Okay, na? Hence, again, I will write here. Okay, na? Hence, what is the Sn? Is n of n plus 1 by 12. N square 3n, n